sitting by my Peep?
She's sitting by Peep?
Yep. Yes, you are.
Is Peep handsome? Say Peep is so handsome.
Peep so handsome and beautiful. Peep so beautiful.
Is she skinny too?
Okay, so beautiful. Well, here, you. Ow. You take it.
Quick.
It's not working.
It needs new batteries.
New battery. Oh no.
Oh no. Oh no. Say oopsie.
You are so beautiful. You are so beautiful. I dropped my cap. I should get my cup.
You should get your cup. Jump. Twist. Jump back around. Rare form. Sing us another song.
Emma's hands got the whole world.
Go ahead.
Emma's hands got all the little babies. And his hands got all the little babies on the belly.
In the belly?
In the belly.
On the belly, yeah.
Christina. Miss Kelly.
You know what? You are one goofy girl.
Say, no, I'm not goofy,
Yeah.
Peep. I'm saying I'm beautiful.
That's true too.
He's got all the little babies in the belly.
Who's got a baby in the belly is going to have a baby any time now?
Who's getting ready to have a baby? Christina? Is Christina's baby a boy baby or a girl baby?
Hey, princess.
Scarlett, is Christina's
Oh,
baby
did you take a picture of me?
Yeah. Sophie.
is Christina's baby a boy baby or a girl baby? What do you think?
Oh, I'm thinking it's a boy.
Peep thinks it's a boy baby. What do you think? Boy
A
baby or
girl.
a,
A
gir-
girl baby.
a girl baby?
Well, one of us has got to be right.
I wonder if it's Scarlett or Peep. Who's going to be right?